The key is to find the right rhythm, just like this. Feel the burn.
Oh my God, viewers. Just look at these results. They are absolutely incredible. Today, I'm back with another amazing Stickman AI niche that has huge viral potential. Make sure you watch this video until the end because the videos you're seeing are incredibly engaging, highly attractive, and designed to keep viewers watching. So, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. First, open Facebook and search for the page Fluent Flow English. You'll find an amazing page with a large audience and highly engaging Stickman videos. This page is a great source of inspiration and will show you the style of content we're going to create step by step in today's tutorial. Okay, viewers, now take a look at these videos. Aren't they amazing? This Facebook page uploads this exact type of Stickman content featuring a yellow Stickman and a white Stickman. Today, I'll show you how to create this exact niche from scratch using 100% free AI tools. First, scroll through their uploaded videos. As you can see, every single reel is highly engaging, visually appealing, and designed to keep viewers watching until the end. If you check the performance of these videos, you'll notice they're getting incredible results and massive engagement. Now, without wasting any time, let's move on to the master prompt. This master prompt is very detailed. It includes character 1, character 2, the global art style, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, story structure, and everything else you need to create videos like these. Simply review the prompt, then copy it and open the Clouder.ai website. Once you're on Clouder.ai, paste the master prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. As you can see, my first prompt has already started generating. Now all you need to do is be patient and wait a few moments. And look at these results, viewers. All of my prompts are now ready, including the image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and everything else required for the project. If you want to create a different story, you can simply describe your own idea, and the prompt will generate a completely new storyline while keeping the same Stickman characters and style. Now it's time to generate our images. I'll open Google Gemini, paste my first image prompt, and click Generate. After waiting for a few moments, look at this result. My first image is ready, and as you can see, it looks almost identical to the Stickman style we saw on Facebook. Now I'll copy my second prompt, paste it into Gemini, and click Generate again. After another short wait, look at this second image. It turned out fantastic and perfectly matches the same visual style. I'll repeat the exact same process for the third image, and then for the fourth image as well. Now, as you can see, all 4 images are ready. I'll continue copying each remaining prompt one by one, paste them into Gemini, and generate all the remaining images using the exact same process. Be patient for a few moments. And now, look at these results, viewers. All of my images are now complete. As you can see, every image is highly engaging, professionally designed, and generated in stunning HD quality. They perfectly match the viral Stickman style we wanted to create. Now I'll simply download each image one by one and save them to my computer because, in the next step, we're going to use a 100% free AI video tool to turn these images into smooth, animated videos. So before moving on, make sure you've downloaded and saved all of your generated images. Now let's move on to the video generation section. Okay, viewers, now it's time for the video generation step. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing feature inside CapCut AI. And trust me, once you see the results, you'll be surprised. First, open the Image to Video section and upload your first generated image. After uploading the image, paste your animation plus voice-over prompt into the prompt box. Next, go to the Model section and select Seedream 2.0. If that model isn't available, don't worry, CapCut also offers free models like Seedream 1.5, which you can use without any problem. Now choose your preferred settings. Since we're using the free version, simply select the free resolution, such as 480p, and keep the other settings on their default free options. Once everything is ready, click Generate. CapCut may ask you to confirm the generation process. Simply click Yes to continue. As you can see, my first image has now started converting into a video. Now, all you need is a little patience. Free AI tools usually take a bit longer to process because many users are using them at the same time. But believe me, the final result is absolutely worth the wait. After waiting for a few moments, wow! Look at this result, viewers.
Hey, what are you up to after school? Not much, just gonna head home. Why? Want to hang out? Maybe grab a snack or something?
Image has been successfully transformed into a smooth animated video. Take a close look at the quality. The animation is incredibly natural, highly engaging, and looks surprisingly professional. I was honestly amazed when I saw this result for the first time. It's hard to believe that a free AI tool can produce such impressive animations. Now let's generate the remaining scenes. I'll upload my second image, paste the corresponding animation, and voice over prompt. And this time I'll choose Dream 4.3 from the model section. You can also adjust the settings based on your preference. The great thing about CapCut is that it offers several AI models, including Dream 4.5 and other free options. If one model isn't available, simply choose another free model and continue generating your videos. Once your settings are complete, click Generate. Now I'll repeat the exact same process for the third image and then for the fourth image, and continue until all of my scenes have been submitted for generation. As you can see, multiple videos are now generating at the same time. Again, be patient and let the AI finish processing. The wait is completely worth it because the final animations look fantastic. After a short wait, look at these final results, viewers. All of my images have now been successfully converted into animated videos. Every single scene looks smooth, cinematic, and highly engaging. The character movements are natural, the animation quality is excellent, and the overall style perfectly matches the original Stickman videos we saw earlier. I was genuinely impressed with how realistic and professional these videos turned out. Another great feature is that these videos are generated with synchronized audio and voice-over support, making the entire workflow much easier. You don't need to create everything manually because CapCut handles a large part of the process for you. And the best part? You can achieve these amazing results using the free AI models, including Dream 4.3, without spending any money. So that's how you can create viral Stickman AI videos from start to finish using free AI tools. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI niche and another powerful free AI tool. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.
The key is to find the right rhythm, just like this. Feel the burn.
Hey, what are you up to after school? Not much, just gonna head home. Why? Want to hang out? Maybe grab a snack or something?